In this video, I will explain how to record audio and insert a video file using editor in Moodle. I will click on Add a new discussion topic. The new page appears. I will scroll down on this page to this section, your new discussion topic, and enter my subject. Moodle. I will proceed to the message section, and you will notice that there are a row of icons. The last three icons allows you to record audio, video, and insert or edit an audio or video file. You also have the option to import Word documents and insert images or edit images. If you were to click on this icon, it gives you another set of icons, and you notice the microphone here, which is used to record all audio also, as well as this icon. Click here and hide this icon again. I'll be using this icon to record my audio, seeing that it is a short recording and not a lengthy recording. If I were recording a lengthy audio file, I will use the other microphone. Click on the icon, menu comes up, record audio, start recording. Click on the recording. I have 2 minutes. It's a short recording, and this explains how to use editor to record audio. If I'm satisfied, click on stop recording. This level allows me to play. Recording, I have 2 minutes. It's a short recording, and this explains how to use editor to record audio. If I'm satisfied, click on stop. So it gave me a preview. If I'm satisfied, I will click attach recording. If not, I can record again. I have to wait 100% completed. Beautiful. So my audio is inserted, and I now have to insert my video. I insert media, and that, scroll down, and I post. So once I have completed both installations or inserts, I need to scroll down and click on post to forum, and post to forum, and there you will see your post was successfully added. I have 30 minutes to edit. It says Sean Rogers will be notified of new posts in how to record audio and insert video files in editor Moodle or recording. Let's see this working. My two files are here. One is audio, one is video link. So recording, I have 2 minutes. It's a short recording, and this explains how to use editor to record audio. If I'm satisfied, click on stop. This is my video. I don't know why that's playing. But that is the process of inserting or creating an audio file and inserting a video. I will place the link for my peers to view and to give constructive comment.